Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart. What did we discuss yesterday? We discussed that we were failing or coming up on resistance up at the middle band. And very similar to the September 24 and September 25, where we had a bear market rally that failed at the middle band, we had a bear market rally that failed at the middle band. The only thing that was different about this time was that there was nothing different about this time. We came back down and we traded as low as 1915 quarter by the end of Globex, taking out the prior lows and the matching lows at 1918. We're currently trading back up a little bit. We rallied overnight up to 28. They took it back to 11. Now we're trading like 16, 17. The number one thing I'm looking for today is, because that's a very ugly candle, and we're back on another band ride, right? Band ride did not end. We came right back down to hit the lower band. We are in day 4 of a band ride. That band ride will extend into Monday, so we'll have another 5-day band ride. And just yesterday, after all of this, the Bollinger Bandwidth finally ticked over 5. We're at 5.29 now. So, what are we looking for today? I will be very interested today to see if the 1918 area that was support now becomes resistance. If it does, that should mean a fairly steady trip down to the purple line there, the 200-day exponential moving average, which we were talking about last month. The Russell has been below the 200 for some time, and it's confirmed the 200 as resistance. At that point, you really start to see this entire downward move as essentially a magnet move to the 200-day exponential moving average. And we've certainly been trading that way. The mini has no desire to trade over the middle band. None. It had every opportunity the last 2 days to do so. Back in the 2013 market, the early 2014 market, you would have seen a rejection off of that double bottom at 18. It would have gone through the middle band, and we would be talking about, when are we going to get back to 2000? Because it's probably going to be today. That didn't happen. We went back up to middle band. They sold the rally. Every one of those ovals represents a selling of a rally. You see a green candle that is nothing more than a bear market type short covering rally, whatever you want to call it. And time and again, that rally is sold. So what I've been telling my members is, because I have, we've been long for, a couple years. You go and buy that morning dip and just ride it all day long. It was great. That time is over. That time is over. We are in a two-sided market. Notice I didn't say we were in a downtrend. We are in a two-sided market. There's going to be up days and there's going to be down days. The nice part about two-sided markets is they're traders markets. So we're in a traders market. So that's great news. Embrace that. You have to let go of the mentality of just coming in, buying a dip, holding it because it's going to be fine in the end. It's not going to be fine in the end. At the same time, you can't come in and sell a rally, hold it, and say, it's going to be fine, we're never going to go up. It's not going to be fine. You have to trade this stuff now. You can't be lazy with it. You have to trade it. And it's a psychology shift, it's a mentality shift, and it's something I've been stressing with my members for the last couple of months because this has been coming. And now it's here. We were in a sell rallies market. And if the last 36 hours didn't demonstrate that to you, then nothing will. So, does 18 become resistance? If it does, we do the 200-day exponential moving average either today or Monday. If we bounce again, I start to look for another area to sell a larger pop. But we'll have to see how we open up today. A lot of it is going to be about the open. It looks pretty weak, but short covering rallies and bear market rallies come out of nowhere, right? They come out of nowhere and they're very strong and violent. Don't fight them. Wait for that moment when they peter out. All right, Everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Come sell some rallies with us. I will be back Monday morning with another webcast. Trade them well.